What's good? I'm BT, and I'm just talking about life in general, and I talk about various different topics on this channel. And the topic of discussion on this video is it worth getting on YouTube as a content creator? And this is gonna be a brutally honest answer, towards the end, but let's get into it. Now, I started my YouTube journey 9 months ago. A content creator by the name of Dante London had said that YouTube was on easy mode and you was definitely gonna get a lot of subscribers and you was gonna blow up quick and your channel was gonna be shown to new people that's getting on YouTube, and you're gonna have a fighting chance amongst these giants, these channels that had upwards to about 10,000 or 100,000 or more, right? But unfortunately, that really wasn't the case. I mean, you got a little bit of shine, like anything, when it's your time, or when you get your shine, you have to show up, and you gotta really show what you're made of, right? But if you haven't really honed down on like your presence on camera and you're not confident, it'll show, right? My last video, I was talking about how there's no love on YouTube, right? And I got on here, I was trying to find my way, and you had essentially the content creator that was telling you that YouTube is on easy mode, and essentially like Dante London and all these various other different content creators was pretty much like a coach, to kind of help you navigate this platform, right? Once things start like turning and content started changing, a lot of people felt left in the lurch, and people really felt that YouTube is not on easy mode. It's hard, it takes work, it takes time. You're not gonna blow up overnight, right? And keep in mind, I'm still uploading videos and my subscriber count is in the single digits. It wasn't until I actually found out what type of content I was gonna make for that time being. Now, keep in mind, I'm not niching down and I don't have a niche. I'm pretty much like a talking head channel, right? I'm just talking about life in general. That's what I say. I started talking about kind of like expose. I started talking about kind of like watchdog material. Like I'm talking about people, I'm talking about scam, putting people abreast of what's going on and how you don't fall for various different like day-to-day scams, and how to look for like various different underhanded things that may seem legitimate, right? So I got a little bit of traction there. So I kind of found my voice right there. And then I talked about the job court closings that was happening around the United States. And I had a big blow up. That video did almost 600 views. And it gave me a little bit of notoriety. People started tuning in to hear what I had to say. To kind of put it in perspective, getting on YouTube, is it worth it? I would definitely say yes, but at the same time, it's all what you make it, right? It's all the effort that you put into it. It's all how you find your voice, your personality, and how you present yourself on YouTube. And pretty much how you get on here is what people is gonna kind of expect. So if you're about to niche down. If it's gonna be a talking head channel and you just want to be kind of fluid and you don't want to necessarily be tied to a particular type of subject or whatever, then that's on you. I'm gonna tell you, YouTube is going to be hard, man. It's going to be hard at first. As you gradually start doing uploads, it's going to get better. It's going to get better. It's going to take a lot of patience. It's not going to happen overnight. I just recently hit over 100 subscribers, right? I got 116, and if you like this type of content, subscribe. But I'm gonna tell you now, man, it's YouTube it's hard. It is hard, and there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And there's no sugarcoating it, man. You get on here, you got to do your due diligence, and you got to find your voice, your personality, and how you want to relay your message to your audience. So I appreciate y'all listening to what I gotta say. If y'all like this type of content, subscribe. If you're thinking about getting on YouTube, you know, just take what I said to heart. Think about it, because YouTube ain't for everybody. It really isn't. A lot of people would definitely say like get on here and whatever, but it's at your discretion. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. You know, this ain't for everybody, but if you feel like it's for you, you know, you're gonna make the effort and you're gonna put in the time. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all hearing what I gotta say, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.